It's an exciting time as Samsung prepares to unveil the largest Galaxy S launch ever, with the Galaxy S25 series set to take the tech world by storm. Here's a roundup of the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. Before we move forward, if you don't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button now. So first up, let's talk about the incredible performance that will come in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. For the first time ever, all Galaxy S25 models will come with 12 gigabytes of RAM across every variant, including the base model. This promises to be one of the most powerful Galaxy S series devices yet, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset across all markets. Now we have a life-saving features in the S25 series. The Galaxy S25 series may include a car detection sensor, thanks to a discovery in the US software code. This could be a life-saving feature, potentially enabling satellite connectivity to enhance the safety and utility of the phone, following Samsung's push for satellite connectivity in their Galaxy S24 series. Now we have a news related to the Samsung exclusive Gorilla Glass. Samsung is bringing an advanced version of Gorilla Glass with improved anti-reflective properties to the S25 Ultra. This glass will be more durable and provide better protection than previous generations, making it a standout feature among competitors, especially the iPhone. Now let's talk about the camera upgrades in the S24 series. The camera specs of the S25 Ultra are now confirmed, including a dual zoom setup with 5x and 3x lenses, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and the 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 main sensor. These upgrades are sure to deliver top-tier photography capabilities. Now let's talk about the OAI. Samsung is also offering a partnership with Google, which means Galaxy S25 users could get free access to Gemini Advance, an AI-powered tool normally costing $20 per month. The duration of access will vary, with the base model getting 3 months, the S25 Plus getting 6 months, and the S25 Ultra getting a full year of access. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.